Welcome to the final session of our 2021 conference, All About the Hive. This portion of our conference will be presented by Todd Valentine and Adam Snow. Todd opened the Employee Benefits Department for Beehive Insurance in 2009 after working his way up to Vice President of Employee Benefits for Willis of Colorado. Todd believes that knowledge is power and is committed to helping employers of all sizes understand the options available to them and better utilize the products, tools, and resources that come with purchasing insurance. Todd is also known as the state's leading expert on association health plans. Adam Snow joined Beehive in March of 2011. Before joining the Hive, Adam completed an internship at the Workers' Compensation Fund of Utah, learning about the ins and outs of workers' compensation insurance. His experience has helped him gain a better understanding of the risks businesses face and the protection they need. Adam works with businesses of all types and sizes, helping them find the insurance solutions that fit their needs. He also specializes in both commercial and contract surety bonding. With this being our 60th year anniversary, we are excited to have Todd and Adam share with you what makes the Hive buzz. Starting with a brief history of Beehive Insurance from Adam, they will then discuss the products and services that we offer that are unique to Beehive Insurance. Adam will discuss the property and casualty department, and Todd will discuss the benefits department.
Thank you. I am excited to be here. My name is Adam Snow. I'm a senior account executive here at Beehive Insurance. I'm excited to spend a few minutes with you all today to talk about Beehive and about our history and about what we're able to offer as far as products and services go. I've been here at Beehive for about 10 years, but actually I've been part of Beehive since I was a little kid. My dad, Doug Snow, who's the president of Beehive, started at Beehive in the late 70s and was made president in the early 90s. So Beehive has been, part of our lives for a very long time. And so it's really fun to, be a bigger part of it than when I was just a little kid riding office chairs around in the office making a mess. So I wanted to start off a little bit today and just talk about the history of Beehive. This year is actually our 60th anniversary, so it's kind of a fun year for us to look back at where we started and where we've come and even where we're going. Beehive was started in 1961 by Wilford W. Clyde. Wilford W. Clyde started the heavy civil contractor W.W. Clyde back in the 1920s, and later formed Utah Service and Geneva Rock. And the Clyde companies have grown to be, a great group of companies that we're proud to be a part of. That includes, as I mentioned, W.W. Clyde, Geneva Rock, and then it's also grown to have other companies such as Sunrock, Sunpro, IHC Scott, GWC Capital, and BridgeSource, and probably more to come in the future. Who knows? But Wilford W. Clyde originally started Beehive because he needed an insurance professional to work with that he could really rely on. And for whatever reason, he just couldn't find that. And so he said, I'm just going to do it myself. That was his very entrepreneurial spirit that started Beehive. So he and his partner, Richard Walton, started Beehive back in 1961. And Richard Walton started off as Beehive's first president. But since that time, we've always been more than just an in-house insurance agency for the Clyde companies. We've worked with businesses and individuals and families all across the state of Utah ever since we started. And it's fun to look back at where we were. We started off as a very small agency with just a few employees at a very small office location in downtown Salt Lake. And then you look at where we are now, where we've got over 75 employees with 4 locations across the state, from Salt Lake to Ogden. And then down in southern Utah, we have Cedar City and St. George. So it's been fun to see where Beehive has come from the 60s. And then since I was a kid, seeing where it came from the 90s and on to where we are now. And I'm excited to see where we go beyond that. We've got a lot of great people that we work with here at Beehive. We've had a lot of amazing employees, and we couldn't have had that amazing growth without them. But I also want to thank our customers that we work with, because they're a key part of that success. And so that's kind of where Beehive came from and where we are, and hopefully we'll be here another 60 years or more. So now I wanted to spend a few minutes and talk about what we're able to offer as far as products and services go on the property and casualty side of things. Todd will be on a little bit later to talk about the benefits side of the agency, but today I'd like to talk about what we're able to offer both as far as personal lines insurance goes and business insurance. So for personal lines, we're able to offer basically anything an individual or family might need for their insurance, and that includes home, auto, renters. We can even do insurance on your boats and RVs and motorcycles. Basically, anything a family or an individual would need for their personal insurance, we can help them out with that, and we work with a lot of great carriers to find the best options for you. The business insurance side of things is there's a lot of products and services that we're able to offer there. We start off with the foundation of your general liability and property coverage, workers' compensation and commercial auto. But then, a lot of businesses have really unique needs that require some unique coverages. And so that's where we are able to offer some specialty coverages such as cyber liability, professional liability, management liability, and for contractors or other companies that need it, we also are able to offer surety bonding, both commercial surety bonds and contract bonds. Now, for some customers, they have really complex or unique insurance needs that maybe the traditional insurance market might not be able to meet. And so we are also able to offer different insurance programs such as group captive programs or even single parent captive programs. So that's just a small snapshot of the different insurance products and services that we're able to offer on the property and casualty side of the agency. But I also wanted to talk about some of the different value-added services that are available to our customers. We here at Beehive, we want to offer our customers more than just a policy. We want to be a resource for you to help you run your business successfully and protect your business. And so over the last few years, we've built a suite of value-added resources to help you with that. Our flagship service is Hive Plus, which is a business consulting service where our customers are able to get matched up with experts in many different fields, including HR, legal, cybersecurity, and many others, because as a business owner, you're wearing a lot of different hats, and sometimes you're not the expert in everything. And so it's always nice to have a resource to be able to get in touch with an expert in those specific areas. And so Hive Plus is a great value-added resource that we're happy to offer our customers. Some of our other value-added resources include an online HR library. We've partnered with a company to provide background screening resources to our customers. And then another service we're able to offer is on your workers' compensation. We're able to offer analysis on your experience modification factor to make sure we keep a really close eye on that and help you save as much money as possible on your workers' compensation coverage. So again, that's just another small snapshot of the different value-added services that are available through Beehive. That's all I have for everyone today. I'll turn the time over to Todd, and he'll talk about all things with the benefits department here at Beehive.
Hey, thanks, Adam. I am really excited to be able to talk a little bit more about the benefits department here at Beehive. As Adam said, Beehive has been around for 60 years now. You won't know this from the gray in my hair, but Beehive started before I was even born. And so to be able to be part of such a great legacy and amazing people to work with, it's a real pleasure. Back in 2009, Beehive Insurance actually made a decision to form an official benefits department. Prior to that, there was some amazing producers that did both property and casualty and health insurance and dental insurance. But the decision to put a benefits department was really predicated by the upcoming change with the Healthcare Reform Act, or the ACA. Most people now know it as Obamacare, but that all started in 2010. So Beehive, with some forethought, decided to form an official employee benefits department to really be able to help work with current clients and future clients to be able to help them consult and navigate through all of those changes. Now, Beehive offers all of the normal products, core products that you would expect: medical, dental, vision, life, disability, worksite. And we're excited and proud to be able to offer those products. We represent virtually every single carrier in the states and the markets that we work within. But in addition to that, those ACA changes really kind of changed the landscape of how those products work and what was available. So over the course of several years, we have been instrumental, and something that really sets Beehive apart and is uniquely Beehive is we have put together and built specific programs. We are now very well known as a expert in association health plans. We have had the pleasure to work with some of the largest trade associations in the state of Utah, and we're expanding that outside of Utah now to be able to put together these multiple employer welfare arrangements, or MIWAs, or association plans. Now, the cool thing with these association plans is they're kind of like a co-opt buying model for health insurance. We're able to take employers of different sizes, from very small 2 or 3 employees all the way up to 100 plus employees, and allow them to purchase coverage in that buying model that gives them some economies of scale for pricing, as well as the ability to get more large group or custom benefit structure. In addition to those association plans for medical, dental, vision, and others, we also have worked heavily with the insurance carriers to create alternate funding, like level funding and self-funding arrangements for groups that are a little larger, to help them look at options to, reduce their cost and improve coverage. And the latest thing in the last couple of years is we're heavily involved in healthcare captives. For groups with 50 or more covered employees, we're working heavily with some of the nation's largest companies to help clients evaluate captive options, to be able to see if there's ways, again, to get creative with both the products and how we pay for stuff. Now, with all of that, there's a lot of moving parts and pieces to employee benefits. Some of the insurance policies all of us have, we hope to never have to file a claim. But when it comes to medical insurance, dental insurance, and others, we know that it's just a matter of days, if not weeks or months, before claims will be filed. And so we have put together an amazing team of people that really offer high-touch service, almost like a boutique-style strategy in helping our clients be able to feel like they understand and can have the help that they need. Each of us in the department have our own stories of trying to navigate through a difficult system and difficult circumstances, whether it be our own health history or those in our families. We all understand firsthand how hard it is sometimes to get answers to questions, and how to navigate and get the best resources and care that we need. We are committed to helping every single employee in each organization try to understand what they have available to them through the benefits that you as an employer get to offer to them. And with that comes things like communication, strategies, employee engagement, even how we're communicating to your employees through text messaging and specific documents and things that we try to do to help them understand how to get the best and the best results and the most out of the coverage that's being provided. That all leads to kind of the final thing, and that is we really look at a strategy-based consulting thought process. We really want to work with you to come up with strategies that are not 1 year at a time. We really want to look at 2, 3, 4, 5-year strategies to be able to come up with ideas and plans to help you keep costs in check, but get the most out of the system, and really give your employees the best benefits that you can within the budget constraints that are available. Again, thank you so much for your time. I hope you have found the virtual seminar helpful. There's so many topics and things that we want to cover in the future, but we really appreciate you spending a few minutes with us. I'm excited every day to be able to come to work with amazing partners and clients and the amazing people here at Beehive. And we appreciate you spending some time today. Thank you.
We want to thank all of our presenters for their time and expertise that they have shared with us this year. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the RSVP Raffle Winners. Each winner today will receive a $50 gift card that will be emailed to them at the conclusion of the conference. And thank you all for joining us. If you missed any of the sessions, be sure to check out our 2021 conference playlist. Now, our first raffle winner is Dusty Benson. Congratulations, Dusty. Our second winner is Nicole Weaver. Congratulations, Nicole. Our third winner is Josh Wood. Congratulations, Josh. Our next winner, our fourth winner, is Cindy Sidaway. Congratulations, Cindy. Our next winner, our fifth winner, is Chase Thomas. Congratulations, Chase. And our last and final winner for today is Kara Carter. Congratulations, Kara, and all of our raffle winners.